DIYers, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, in the event that you have a vibrating tire or wobbly tire, whether it's in the front or rear, we're going to talk about what could possibly be an imbalanced or out of balance tire. And hopefully that's your issue, because that is a very cost-friendly fix. Let's go outside and take a look. DIYers, here we are out in the garage, and as you can see, the driver's side tires, both front and rear, have been removed, and they're right here. We'll get to that here shortly. However, I have been busy trying to figure out why my front passenger wheel is wobbling. And a quick recap in regards to alignments. An alignment is not going to fix a wobbly wheel, nor a wheel that is creating aggressive vibration in the floorboard of your vehicle as well as the steering wheel. And in our case, when we were out driving, the truck was not pulling left, nor was it pulling right. It was basically perfectly straight aligned, even at high speeds like 70 miles an hour on the highway. So again, that led us to believe it is not an alignment issue. It's more internally, maybe a tie rod, whether it's outer tie rod or inner tie rod, or a CV joint, or either the lower or upper ball joint. However, we started with the easy and friendly priced parts, and we replaced the outer tie rod, and actually that did get rid of the vibration and wobbling for about 40 miles. However, within those 40 miles, I never got on the highway and got the vehicle up to speed. I think I only got it up to maybe 50 miles an hour. Once I did get it on the highway, the wobbling came back, unfortunately. So we had to replace the inner tie rod, thinking that was the issue. Well, unfortunately it was not. We still had that wobbly wheel on the front passenger side. Not cool. So what do you do at that point, DIYers? Well, you continue troubleshooting, and I had an awesome conversation with a great friend of mine, Norm, and we talked about balanced wheels compared to imbalanced wheels. And after that conversation, I came back to the truck and I removed both the front tires and swapped the passenger wobbly wheel to the left side, the driver's side, and I went for a test cruise. And guess what? No vibration nor wobbling on the right hand side. However, the vibration and wobbling transitioned to the left side or driver's side. And I took it one step further. I removed that wobbly wheel from the front driver's side as well as this rear driver's side wheel, and I shifted the wheel I took off the rear up to the front, installed it and secured it, and that wobbly wheel to the rear driver's side. And I went for a test cruise, and guess what, DIYers? The wobbling and vibration transitioned to the rear driver's side right there. So troubleshooting led us to an imbalanced tire and rim. And I will come down here. You can see there's the inner portion of one wheel and there's the exterior portion of my rim. And looking at the front face of it, not much different. You don't see any balance weights around here. However, coming to the internal portion of our tire and wheel, this actually is our problem wheel. This is the wobbly wheel. And as we inspected the internal portion of the rim, look what we found. Missing weights. And DIYers, these are extremely important, and they just weigh maybe a half an ounce each. However, they are so vital to the balance of your rim and tire when they are installed on your vehicle and rotating at extremely fast rates. In addition, we have what looks like 4 additional squares where our half-ounce weights came loose and fell off. And every rim's different. You need to know that. So for example, this rim is not going to be the exact same as my other rim. As you can see, this one unfortunately needed a lot of weights. And again, that is extremely important. So when tire shop technicians are balancing the rim and tire and making their readings, they are adding the proper ounce weights to ensure that your tire and rim are properly balanced. So after all of that maintenance to our truck, it was just some balancing issues we were experiencing. So what we did next, we contacted our local tire shop, and they're going to charge us $15 to have this exact wheel and tire rebalanced. We'll go there now and we'll give you an update when we get back. I've already put the other tire back on the truck, and if you have uneven wear on your tread, that is also an indication that your tire and rim are out of balance. In our case, we caught it early. It did not basically do anything harm-wise or uneven wear and tear to the tread. So that's good. Back from Bell Tire, here is our receipt, product descriptions and notations. Number 1, there it is, balance wheel, weights check. They also added air pressure, which is awesome. Quantity 4 for 4 tires, price $15 a piece, amounting to $60. However, again, if you buy your tires from Bell Tire, it's free. DIYers, here we are back at the truck, and again, all 4 tires rebalanced and back to proper and safe driving configuration. We are very happy about this. Hopefully this helped. Do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, DIYers.